Legendary playback singer Asha Bhosle is no more. The iconic voice passed away at the age of 93 in Mumbai on Sunday. She was admitted to Breach Candy Hospital on Saturday after suffering from extreme exhaustion and a chest infection. Sadly, due to multiple medical complications, she passed away from multi-organ failure. As the news spread, fans rushed to her social media to revisit her final posts, each one reflecting her deep love for music and life. Her last post on X, formerly Twitter, was about her granddaughter Janai and her musical debut. She wrote, "My granddaughter Janai starts her beautiful journey as a singer with her first release, Candy Hai. I wish her all the very best." Earlier, Janai had shared an update about her grandmother's health, saying, "My grandmother, Asha Bhosle, due to extreme exhaustion and suffering a chest infection, has been admitted to hospital. Treatment is ongoing and hopefully everything will be well." Her final Instagram post has now gone viral. In it, she reflected on life, spirituality, and her journey through music. She wrote, "I understood the meaning of life, who I was and what I was supposed to do on earth. On the shadowy light, my crossing this deep river signifies my life's journey, my birth, my relationships, my dedication to music, my achievements and my duties as a daughter, mother, sister, wife and a Hindu Indian." Confirming the news, Dr. Pratit Samdani said, Asha Bhosle breathed her last today in Breach Candy Hospital. She passed away due to multi-organ failure. Her last rites will take place at Shivaji Park, Mumbai, on Monday at 4 p.m. A voice that defined generations now rests in silence, but her music will live forever.